Hi everyone, we're gonna make some Christmas treats, and we've done this for the orphans, so it was really fun for the kids. And we simplified the ingredients. We used a boxed fudge brownies, and to that we used the ingredients that it said, which is some oil, eggs. So do the instructions on the box. So that's what I'm doing here, reading the instructions in the box and just making the brownies, so making the mix. It's better if you're gonna put this into a round, that way it's easier to slice, but I only had one glass dish round and one rectangle, so I've done that because then you want to slice them into triangles. So as you can see, I just sliced these like I'm slicing the cake, and it's perfect triangles, so which is perfect for the Christmas tree. And I've done that, so now we're going to use some decorations on top, which is just breaking off the candy cane of peppermint. You can do any kind, you can do the colorful, but I've had mint. So, and then using these rich and creamy frosting. If you have no time, this is best thing to use. Just spread a thin layer, and then you can sprinkle your crushed peppermints, which is so fun for the kids and they love it, of course. So yeah, this just ideas. And then I've added some other kind of look like ornaments. So I've done that. It's all edible, so you can find it in your baking sections at your store. And so we've placed this little cute sheet, which just makes it so cute. And thank you